Programming a Nissan Altima key fob involves pairing it with the vehicle's immobilizer system for keyless entry and ignition. Enhanced security measures introduced in 2019 and later models make DIY programming generally not possible. Nissan mandates that key fob programming for these models be performed by a certified dealer or locksmith using proprietary software like Consult 3 or IDS tools. This is primarily to prevent unauthorized cloning and maintain vehicle security. Models from 2023 onward even feature over-the-air firmware patches via Nissan Connect for minor issues, but full key pairing still requires professional equipment. Ultima key fobs use radio frequency identification and transponder technology to communicate with the vehicle's body control module and immobilizer ECU. Future trends include smartphone-based digital keys already available on some 2023 Plus models, battery-free fobs, and biometric integration like fingerprint sensors. As of 2024, Nissan allows key sharing via QR codes, reflecting a move toward digital access. Expect increasing reliance on digital keys by 2030, with potential for biometric or AI-driven access, driven by cybersecurity regulations and advancements in encryption.